Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your Azure subscription and that Azure Openai is available in your region. This matters because access can be restricted. Once confirmed, connect the storage where your data lives, blobs, file shares, or a database, and note formats and sizes so indexing is efficient. Create a resource group, provision a storage account, and give yourself the right RBAC roles. This prevents permission gaps later. Finally, open Copilot Studio and choose the option to create a new workspace so you can begin ingesting. Once in Copilot Studio, add connectors for blobs or databases and run extraction. Use OCR for images and parsers for PDFs so you capture semantic text. Next, configure chunk size and overlap. This affects retrieval accuracy, so aim for balanced chunks rather than tiny fragments. Choose an embeddings model compatible with Azure Openai and start the indexing job. While it runs, monitor logs for errors and validate retrievals with sample queries so you can iterate on chunking and embeddings before building prompts or copilots. Now assemble your copilot. Craft system and user prompts, wire the retrieval-augmented pipeline to use your index store, and set response constraints like max tokens and temperature. Then deploy and test end-to-end, verify that answers cite sources, check latency, and review cost estimates to tune model usage. If something fails, make sure permissions are correct, reindex any corrupted documents, and inspect job logs for parsing or embedding errors. A common fix is rerunning extraction with adjusted chunking or fixing connector credentials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.